Hello! My name is Ryan Yoakum, and today I'm going to show you how you can get your NAICS code for the COM 2340 class. NAICS codes, which are the North American Industry Classification System codes, are a series of codes to distinguish different industries within the United States, Canada, and Mexico. These codes were created in 1997 and update every 5 years to reflect changes in industries as well as emerging new ones. For this class, this is very helpful for researching your given industry, but can also be helpful in the broader industry realm when thinking about things such as grants. So if I'm in the COM 2340 guide, I'm going to go to the industry classification box and then click on the hyperlink that's right here. And then there are 3 ways we can search for our NAICS code. The first of which is using the keyword search on the left of the page. Now I'm going to say for ice cream, for example, I'm interested in ice cream stores. So I'll type that in. And you'll notice initially that I won't get anything here. But if I type in ice cream parlors, which are essentially the same as ice cream stores, now I get a result. So if you search this way, just keep in mind that your industry might be in there, but you might have to use a synonym to describe your industry, or think about adjacent terms with that. Another way for running into that issue is to go to reference files and click on the latest one to reverse engineer your topic. So if I'm thinking, for example, of ice cream stores, I'm going to go to accommodation and food services, as that seems to be the one that fits the most. And then as we scroll down and look at the different options, I'm going to go to snack and non-alcoholic beverage bars. And then just down here will be ice cream parlors. So you may have to try that out for your industry. And if you have an adjacent industry, one that's been emerging or isn't really reflected as clearly in the NAICS codes, I might use that reverse engineering topic to think about adjacent industries that might be similar to your emerging one or a unique and innovative one. The last thing I'd recommend, for if all else fails, is to go into the NAICS code manual. And then I'm just going to search for ice cream, for example. And if I scroll up, we'll see right here that we'll have ice cream parlors. And so you might just type in a keyword and then look in the actual manual to see what might fit best for your topic, basically. And that's all I wanted to show for today. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in finding your NAICS code.